This 5-in-1 transforming fire truck is the interactive STEM building toy designed primarily for kids aged 3 to 8. The core concept leverages a combine it or take apart mechanic. Instead of being a single solid toy, it consists of 5 individual functional fire rescue vehicles that children can play independently or assemble together using chunky plastic screws to build one large 12-inch towering robot. He aims to capture 2 classic childhood fascination, fire trucks and giant robots, while functioning as a tool that keeps kids engaged without relying on a passive screen time. I ended up receiving this product from an honest review and testing. Now here is the box that it comes with, and you can end up getting this in 6 different themes. We do have the Eco Guardian, Dino Truck theme, Fire Rescue Squad, which is what I have, and then we also have Military, Space, and Construction Squad. Here we have a simple assembly diagram. When taken apart, the set provides 5 distinct vehicles: fire ladder truck, water tank, excavator, crane truck, and the lifting. Each individual vehicle does have the wheels that spin, so they can be used separately. Let's end up assembling this. Now, one thing I wanted to mention, all of these do have the friction. So if you push them a little bit forward, they're gonna move by themselves. And it works really good, as you guys can see here. So just a little bit of friction and it's gonna go a very long way. Let's end up assembling the feet. So for this, you're gonna use this one and this one. So all you have to do is just lift this one up. You can also move it left to right, but for now, we're just gonna move it up. Then you're gonna take the excavator, you're gonna push up and open up the head. Now we're gonna open this one up. I believe you're supposed to slide it out. Now this one, just to show you, moves left and right, but we're gonna remove this. Now we're just gonna place it on the bottom. Gonna do the same thing with this one. There we go. Now on this one, once you do push it up, it does have the little opening here. So once you open it, you can push it down. And now we're just gonna push it back in. There we go. Now we're gonna take this one and attach it right here. There we go. And finally, we're gonna do the same thing with the crane one. There we go. All right, so here is how the finished product looks. On the side, we can end up moving the arms, so you can do a little bit of rotation. Another thing that I did is you can end up switching this from the crane, which is gonna be on this side. You can also move it a little bit like this. So this is where the crane is, so just push it in and then you can open up the hand here. And then on this side, it's kind of similar thing. You can rotate it. You can also push it down a little bit and open it up. And then on the bottom, we do have those friction wheels, which would make this toy move. So this 5-in-1 set wraps up as a highly practical choice for parents and gift givers because of its high replay value. A massive issue with the standard toddler's toys is that kids get bored of them within a day or two. Because this toy offers 3 distinct ways to play, like independent vehicle play, a take-apart construction puzzle, and a giant action figure, it effectively grows with the child's attention span. It hits all the check marks for a successful birthday gift or party favor. It looks impressive and it is very fun to play with, and it also offers educational value under the guise of an action-packed superhero toy.